Hey, welcome back to my channel guys। कैसे हैं आप लोग सारे। एक बार और एक ऑसम वीडियो के साथ आपके लिए लास्ट टाइम हम खेल रहे थे लॉर्ड ऑफ द रिंग। आई थिंक उसमें जब भी मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि उसको मैं अपलोड करूँ, कुछ कॉपीराइट इशू आ रही है उसके अंदर, तो मैंने वो आई थिंक अब नहीं उसको अपलोड किया करूँगा। ये जो गेम मैं आपको सामने लेकर आ रहा हूँ, ये वन ऑफ द बेस्ट गेम इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ गेम। बहुत ही बेहतरीन गेम है ये, मतलब मेरे फेवरेट गेमों में से एक गेम है ये। और ये एक ऐसी गेम है जिसको मैं हर एक ग्राफिक कार्ड पे खेलना चाहूँगा। बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग गेम है। बिना किसी देरी के शुरू करते हैं गाइस, फटाफट से।
It used to be a military base. Well, it used to be a ranching thing, then it was turned into an army thing, then it became a bird thing and a museum or whatever. Henry Fonda stationed here, I think, for a bit. Unless he was Navy.
बहुत बढ़िया
Who's
है।
Henry Fonda?
Around Christmas time, this little breakfast place used to sell these amazing polar bear sugar cookies. Man, those were good. And then one year they changed the formula or whatever and ruined it.
म्यूजिक बहुत ज़बरदस्त है इस गेम का।
Alex? Hey, still with us?
या एलेक्स
You
में
haven't said anything for like 10 minutes.
मज़े लेते हैं इससे। या
Mission
I can watch the hypnotic rolling of the waves and listen to you at the same time.
Oh, okay. What did I say? Little miss, I can see and hear things at the same time.
नहीं, मज़े लेता हूँ।
Something, cookies, or whatever.
Perfect. You're right on the money.
राइट।
So you all moved in?
Not really. I just got in this morning.
And how did her mom meet your dad exactly?
They met on vacation in Orlando. He got lost in a... actually, I'm not even going to tell this story. It's
बात नहीं है लड़का
really
ये।
not worth it.
Okay.
मैं अंदर चल के बैठता हूँ।
And
बातें
you guys
करते
just met tonight?
Yeah, I'd been out of school, and the timing had just never worked out, so...
And what does that make you to her then? A second cousin? I don't
He's just a guy. What else would he be?
हैं।
know,
हाँ,
but isn't there like a term for it?
Step-brother, technically.
Oh, yeah. I forgot that was even a thing. Well, at least you seem cool, right? Cool guy, cool hat. You get a cool new sibling living right in your house. Sharing your toothbrush. Wearing your clothes.
कुछ नहीं भाई, कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा
Eating
मैं।
your food. Smelling up your bathroom.
I have my own toothbrush.
Well, throw it out. It's useless now.
So, how do you two know each other?
Oh, from way back when, like Paleozoic. Grade school era. Young enough that I've seen her in a bathtub and it wasn't sexual at all. I mean, we both looked like little skinned potato blobs. And to date, that's still what I think she looks like under her clothes.
ओ भाई, रात हो गई। शेप उतरेगा अब।
Check under your seat to make sure you don't leave behind any grandchildren.
And if you picked up a complimentary disposable radio, remember to
Oh, we should get a quick picture. All of us.
क्या
This will be like the
म्यूजिक है।
before shot. They're on.
Fine, just hold the camera out, like far. I don't look my freshest right now.
It's true, Jonas. This is like B minus Alex. Just for your calibration. And it's Jonas, not Jonah.
Yeah, Jonas. Like Jonas Salk?
Right? Patient zero, AIDS guy.
सेल्फी खींचते।
Polio.
Here's good.
आजा भाई आजा, सेल्फी खींचे। बहुत बातें
Come on,
मार रहा
Alex, join the fun.
था। ये ले। क्या बात है?
There, great. I'll magic erase all the warts out and stuff, so don't worry.
अब क्या है?
Hey, Alex, you brought the radio, right? The little portable one?
हाँ,
Yeah, of course.
Perfect. Can you pull it out a second?
क्यों? क्यों भाई, क्यों निकालूं? ये ले।
There's the little guy. Our high
Beta.
school has a radio station, and Carly, she's a friend of ours. She's filling in because Reggie got mono from some track runner or something. It doesn't matter. What matters is that she's going to say something like, basically, right now, about our thing. So, tune it to 88.3 so I can tell her we heard it.
88। 2 मिनट दे।
It's, to the left of the dial.
सब पता है मेरे को, बकवास
Which
मत
I
मार।
played because that song's been stuck in my head since I woke up this morning. But, actually, it's a little after 10 o'clock, which means my dear friend Ren and his buddies are probably just touching down on Edwards Island for the yearly bath bash on the beach or whatever we call it now. But anyways, I promised him that I'd play a song from his band, so hope you're listening, Ren.
Listen.
Here are the red-headed bedwetters with baby carrots.
Music.
That's awesome. I hope Christina, with her talent show judge face, was listening. We must be getting close. There's no radio reception on the island. I'm glad I got to hear it before it went totally kaput.
If we can't use it, why'd you bring it? Not just for the boat.
No. You'll see. I don't expect too much, but nah, it'll be fun. I won't undercook it. You'll see.
चलो भाई पहुंच गए हम। अब देखते क्या होने वाला है। मतलब बहुत ही मिस्ट्री टाइप का है ये वाली फोटो मैंने खींची है। ओके बीच वाला लड़का कुछ ज़्यादा ही बातू नहीं है, बातें बहुत कर रहे हैं। इसका पूरा एंड करूंगा इस गेम का मैं। लास्ट टाइम लॉर्ड ऑफ द रिंग खेल रहा था, उसमें हर बारी मैं अपलोड कर रहा हूँ, कुछ ना कुछ कॉपीराइट इशू दिखा रहा है वो, और दोबारा से फिर वो करता है, फिर उसको बोलता है कि इसको कट करो या म्यूट करो। वो टाइम वेस्ट होता है बहुत ज़्यादा।
Smell that clean air, boys and girls. Boy and girl. This ain't city living.
Yeah, anybody need a smoke? I have a full pack.
नहीं भाई तू भी।
No thanks. I mean, I literally just said the clean air thing, so...
चलो भाई
Alex,
आजा।
you can bum one off me if you're empty. I forget if you're a fellow addict.
Oh, you know what? She doesn't smoke either, so...
आजा यार।
Just checking.
All right. My other friend should be up and around the bend.
Actually, I mean, I don't mean to be the guy to break us up already, but Ren, can you do me a favor? Can I have like 2 real quick minutes with Alex for a second? And you can, you can run up and meet your friends?
Really? Just...
Jonas, come on. I vouched for you sight unseen, and you're already acting super weird.
And I appreciate the voucher, I do, and I'm not trying to seem weird. I just want 2 minutes alone, that's it.
All right, bud.
क्या
Look,
चाहिए भाई
I
तेरे
don't
को?
want to go up by myself. I mean, can't we just stick together? You're gonna have all night to say, like, whatever.
But since you want to meet up with your friends anyway...
We're all gonna meet up with them.
Come on, Jonas. Let's just all go up. I don't want to send Ren away like a deer hound.
Yeah, it's fine. And you can talk to Alex later. We're like at hour 1 here. You'll have ample family bonding time.
Yeah, fine, sure, no problem.
Okay, speed
बाद में
read
करिए बात।
definition of Edwards Island. This is a tourist trap with shops and a beach. Nobody lives here except for some geriatric named Mrs. Adler. But, as God is my witness, we'll never mention her or...
It's kind of kitschy, right? It's kind of kitschy.
What? The town? I like it. I like kitschy stuff. It's like the opposite of ugly, scratchy nature. So, to summarize, we are not allowed here after dark, the town is shut down, and we, the Kamina High junior class, have come to commit improper acts.
Improper acts, all right.
Yeah, basically, seniors get prom, sophomores paint that weird statue thing green, and juniors do this. And
बातें
the
बहुत मार
other
रहा है
thing
बिना बात की।
is the weirdo caves.
बातों की
Weirdo
जरूरत है
caves.
जितनी मार रहे
The
हैं।
whole reason Alex brought her radio
Okay.
is because when you go to the...
Oh, hey, this is the Parks and Facilities office. Didn't your sister Allison work here?
Allie? Yeah, she did for a few years, actually. Easy money, since nobody's allowed in the parks, and barely anybody here needs facilities. So yeah, we brought the radio because in the cave you can hear a bunch of spooky crap.
Really?
Really?
चलते चलो यार।
So
बातें
back
इतनी-
up a second.
इतनी
Who's
मारते हो उससे
Mrs.
यार।
Adler?
Her family, I think, like, owns or owned some of the island or something. She's been shacked in the same spot for like 70 years. She's kind of what you'd call a local legend. She has a house on the other side of the woods.
I think that's what I would call a hermit.
Well, it takes a certain someone, and actually, you know what? Speaking of the opposite of those certain someones, drumroll, the beaten path officially ends here. The beach is past the fence. I think Jerry told me that there's a way that you used to get over there, but I'm blanking on what it was. But it's not, I mean, it can't be too difficult. Jonas, did you know that a little birdie told me that our Alex here is thinking of going out of state to college?
Oh, really?
Yeah, so...
ओके यहाँ पे मैप है, यहाँ पहुँच गए, यहाँ से सीधा जाना है। कहाँ जाना है? हाँ ठीक तो जा रहे हैं, मेन स्ट्रीट से जा रहे हैं। ठीक है, एडवर्ड आइलैंड। ठीक है।
Don't get too used to her.
I don't know who you heard that from, but I'm not. Not really.
All right, well, cool, I guess. If you are thinking of leaving, I
उसको
just
push
hope you're
करता हूँ।
doing it.
I think the dumpster will get us over if it'll budge.
Well, let's try it.
If you are thinking of leaving, I just hope you're doing it for the right reasons. That's all. That's my whole spiel.
तो करना
And
क्या?
now you're not talking to me. Okay, great.
Thanks so much for bringing me out, you guys. I can tell I'm gonna have a really good time.
Well, stop now. I'll stop. The adventure awaits.
अब यहाँ से नीचे करना क्या यहाँ पे? चल भाई, टॉप गए, आजा तू भी फटाफट से। ओ भाई, तो बहुत बातें मारते तो बोलने का मौका नहीं दे रहा, खुद ही बोले जा रहा सारा। अब कब बोलेंगे? आई थिंक हम बोलेंगे जब गेम लोड होगी, यही टाइम मिलेगा बोलने का। और क्या इतना बोलेगा वो, तो भाई बोलेंगे कैसे हम? दोनों ऑडियो मिक्स हो जाएंगे। 9 PM 8 PM आते 1 घंटे में यहाँ पहुँच गए।
Before we get there, I should probably mention that.
Oh god.
Who's that?
There's this girl, Nona. She's just this girl, and I'm totally into her, and I want her to be into me. So just, just be cool, okay? No pouting or complaining or anything, all right? What?
Wait,
What's going on? Should I be scared? Did a squirrel jump on?
Nothing, it was nothing.
ये क्या है?
But really, just be cool, all right?
Hey,
Alex?
is this like a part of the base? This far out on the beach?
I honestly don't know what that is. But remember, you can pull out your little radio and tune to that tour station if you want.
नो, मैं नहीं, सीधा चलेंगे, चलते चलो। यहाँ क्या करना है? डिस्कवर क्लिफ, डिस्कवर नहीं, वही जाना है। शिफ्ट से रेडियो स्टेशन निकालती है। लो, ये ले। रेडियो स्टेशन किससे निकलेगा? स्टेशन कुछ चल रहा है? कुछ आ रहा है? नहीं आ रहा? कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा कहीं भी।
This data command annex, as it had been dubbed, was used during the base's early years as the communication installations. It was also the primary office of Marianne Bozek.
यहाँ पे कनेक्शन है।
Protection through the invention of the famed wall system. A type of radio frequency identification, wall standing for wave-assisted lock, assigned each person who was at Fort Milner
और क्या? बस
a call sign through which they could use their portable two-wave radios to unlock prescribed doors and gates. Though the mechanics are considered outmoded today, the island still uses this security method to honor its rich history.
अच्छा,
This data command annex, as it had been dubbed,
और यहाँ तो कुछ
was
नहीं
used
है।
during the base's early years as the communication nerve center for outside military installations. It was also the primary office of Marianne Bozek, a civilian who developed communications protection through the invention of the famed wall system. A type of radio frequency identification, wall standing for wave-assisted.
और यही है, कुछ नहीं है। अंदर रख दे भाई, कोई यूज़ है। नीचे चल के देखता हूँ, यहाँ तो कुछ मिल नहीं रहा। चलो भाई चल, नीचे से होगा रास्ता। हम ऐसे ही चले गए ऊपर, ऊपर है नहीं रास्ता। कूद जा, चल भाई चल। आजा तू भी भाई, कहाँ रह गया पीछे? फटाफट भागो।
Reginald, I hear you over there.
Hey, guys.
Wait, I was about to tell a story. What was it?
About Brad's car?
Oh, well, that can wait.
Hey.
We started a fire down the way, but Nona wanted to play beach nanny, so...
Yeah. Everyone, this is Jonas. Jonas, everyone.
Hey,
Hi.
And Jonas, that's
Who are you again?
Jonas.
He's Alex's new in town, fresh as the daisy stepbrother.
ये सही है भाई, सारे मिल गए
Stepbrother.
एक साथ.
Really?
अब
Yeah,
बड़ा
I know.
होएगी.
It's a trip, right?
Yep.
Wait. You're Jonas. Jonas, the stepbrother.
Yeah. What's your name again?
That is Clarissa.
How
but
are
she's
you her stepbrother? Like, what does that even mean?
I'll give you 3 guesses.
her mom's getting remarried, that's all. She's getting remarried to a guy, and that's the guy's son. So, domino effect?
Yeah, well, I guess this is happening now. This is
Chalo
a
bhi chalo.
thing that is happening, so
बातें कम मारो.
where's everyone else?
Nicole had that tennis thing.
And?
There's nobody else coming. We're it.
What?
कोई दिख ही नहीं रहा यहाँ पे.
Clarissa, we
कल ही घूमे जा रहे हैं.
we took the last ferry. I thought more would show up, but
Oh my god, it's just Alex and her new stepbrother? Huh, that's it. That's who you brought. That's the group.
Clarissa, come on. Don't be mean. This is supposed to be fun.
Who said I'm not having any fun? I'm having fun. This is like friggin' Candyland right now.
Wait, aren't you all like friends?
I'm friends with Nona, and I'm downgrading Ren to like a creepy neighbor. And you, I just met.
Yeah.
चलो भी चलो आ जाओ.
I'm getting the picture now.
Go to beach.
you see, Jonas,